Good day, viewers. This is Promzy, the English doctor. Today we'll be discussing indefinite pronoun. So let's dive in. I'll be giving you some things about this indefinite pronoun. Anywhere you find indefinite pronoun or you want to make use of indefinite pronouns, make sure that the verb that will come after them must be in present tense. See the examples of indefinite pronouns that we have. Number 1 here is somebody. Number 2 is anybody. Number 3 is nobody. Anytime you want to use these words, always make sure that you use this verb is, not are. This one is what to use. You don't use this. So let's take, for instance, the words that we have before us. Somebody. If you want to say, make sentence with somebody, you will say somebody is coming, not somebody are coming. Number 2, anybody is coming. For instance, you don't use are. So the same thing also applies to nobody. Nobody is here. For anyone is coming. Or no one, not something, anything, nothing, somewhere. Anywhere you find any of these words, always make sure that the verb that will come after them will be in present tense. Sorry, will be in a singular form, not plural form. No one does it. This is a singular verb, not plural. Something is good. Anything is. Nothing is, not are. Somewhere is. Everything is. Someone is. Everyone is. Everywhere is dirty. Everywhere is dirty, not everywhere are dirty. Everybody. This very one, this number 14, most people mistake it because they feel since it's everybody involves many people that it should be treated as plural. No, everybody is an indefinite pronoun. It should be treated with singular verbs, which is everybody is fine. If you want to ask somebody, how is everybody doing? Not how are everybody doing. I hope everyone is fine, not I hope everyone are fine. So you get it. This one, somebody's. Anywhere you see somebody, anybody, nobody, any of these, please make sure you use this verb is, not this one are. Okay, so another one is this. Anywhere you find this word every, or you want to use it, make sure that the noun in front of it must be a singular noun. Don't treat it as a plural verb. Like, for instance, when you say every problem can be solved. Not every problem. Do we get it? This is all we have for indefinite pronoun. Thank you guys for watching.